and Isla. So right now we have the lighting up here because we have the lighting up there because we don't want anything to like you guys not seeing it. So right now, yes, we're in the car. If you did not see our car is like all black and stuff. So let's get started with this car because we just $24.95 at adorme.com. Today we're gonna be doing 50% off regular price. Satisfied no risk or return loans. Shipping and exchanges are always free. So satisfied slime vines. So adorme.com/Z100. Return postage extra. Guys, we try our best. And please don't hate because then you must hear this message from Keranique. Not really because, but like, bestseller at Ulta stores nationwide. That's clinically proven to thicken, strengthen, so let's get started with this video. So I'm gonna go first. Try Keranique risk-free before they buy it through this special radio offer. That's right. To try the #1 hair regrowth product for women, just dial **144 on your mobile phone. Pay a small shipping fee today and try Keranique for 30 days risk-free. Keranique is so popular. So first we're gonna do our own slime, and then we're gonna do each other's slime, and then we're gonna mix it together and do both of ours, like poking it and stuff.
Yeah, let's see if they can actually mix together or they can get out of each other.
Bacteria. No wonder you feel awful in the morning. And the Omni pillow is super comfortable. When your head hits this.
Yeah, so now my sister is gonna do hers for 2 minutes. So now so it's gonna be 4 minutes when you're done. That was actually a good one. Oh my god, my slime almost stick to my pants. That was our dog, Bella.
You can't balance your thing there and not expect to fall.
8 seconds, 7 seconds. Okay, it's been 4 minutes. So now I'm gonna be doing Isla's. Okay, now we're going to be mixing them together. I was going to do what we were going to do each other's, but now we're going to mix it. Now that we mix it together, I think. Okay. It's just so cool.
Oh my god, you can't resist.
It looks like a pink, like a yellow turning into pink.
Yeah, it looks like peach.
So yeah, let's put the iPad in the middle.
Let's see if you can break this.
And yeah.
Can I mix it together with yours? Okay, now we can make a bigger bun.
Yeah. I don't know.
Makes it looks more colorful.
I like it like this. Okay, so no. I just like the color. It's not that. What color is yours, Natalia?
It is purple.
Oh, then I love that color, but I don't want that to be in. That's one of my favorite colors. Oh my god, guys. They're so satisfying too.
Hip-hop.
Really like this pinkish color. Very pretty.
Can you go on Z100?
Can I tell them something? Never watch Pennywise.
We did that.
Well,
I watched
no,
it.
because
Well,
Pennywise
just a little
eats
guys
his
to order.
arm off. He's like
Oh my god, I love this song.
Okay, guys.
Okay, now it's my turn.
Just a little, right?
Okay, now you hold the camera. Oh my god, I love this song. Can you put it on louder, please? Please, anyone? Yeah. Been hoping ways that couldn't taken care of. Like it looks like a taco when you think about it. Taco pug.
Taco, what is it?
Taco pug.
Taco pub.
Wait, that other thing was really satisfying.
Thanks.
Hoping.
I'll describe it.
Shut up and let me go.
My uncle upped his battle with the squirrels, ready to feed the bird feeder to the next level using olive oil. There's a picture of like a squirrel that climbed to the top of like a bird feeder post.
Wait, do the bubble thing again.
Okay. Wait.
So satisfying. It looks like bubble gum. Wait, no, that thing like when you do this and then you pop the bubble.
Wait.
Oh my god.
Wait, I should do that
That's a
again.
good one.
I should do that again. So I'm just gonna call it Sapphizing Slime Vines. These are basically vines. I don't.
What do vines mean again?
That was
Do
not-
vines mean?
like parts. Like I'm gonna call it vines.
Why?
Because
I
there
see.
are 4 vines.
I see. Like laugh challenge, like try not to laugh, and then they say vines on them. What does vines mean on those
Like,
channels?
you're gonna laugh or like something. I don't
Shut up and love me, let me go.
I just heard that. Guys, look.
Whoa.
It's
done. We stop the video, guys.
Look. That is so satisfying. Okay.
I'm gonna end the video here, okay?
Okay.
So guys, that's it for the video. Hope you like.
Share, but subscribe, turn notifications, comment down below. You did the angle at I Love YouTube shirt. So we are working on the I Love YouTube shirts, and our signature is gonna be in them.
Our grandma is working on it. Bye guys, hope you love this video. Bye. Happy Easter, it's Easter today.
Bye.